Hey guys, it's Larry Hoffman here with FindingMotivatedSellersExposed.com, and in this tutorial I want to show you the this pure option calculator that I developed and how you can actually use it to help make offers on your option purchases. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of go over from top to bottom. You'll see here field for the FMV, that's the fair market value. This discount 20%, that's automatically calculated when you start typing in a number here. Repairs, if the house needs repairs, you'll put it in here. And what this is doing is this is assuming that an investor or that an end buyer will buy it. So it takes half of the, if it's a $10,000 repair job, then it calculates half of $10,000, so it actually sticks $5,000 there. Realtor's fees 7%. It'll calculate it, put it here, or you can overwrite any of these values. Closing costs 4%, unknown variables 3%, desired profit. This is what you want to make, and then this is where the offer is going to be actually calculated. So if we use the example on page 20 of your course, so if I type in $100,000, as you see, this thing is automatically filling in. So the discount $20,000. So and then it's going to calculate the realtor's fees at 7%, 4%, 3%. So if we continue with the example, the example is showing repairs estimated at $9,000, and then the realtor fee closing costs. I'm using a closing cost of about 4%. It's 1% different than what I have in the ebook, but you could adjust this calculator so it doesn't matter. Desired profits, if you want to make $9,000, then you come down here and you hit the calculate button, and you notice that this value is a lot different than the what's in your book of $73,500. Well, this thing is automatically the example in your course automatically assumes that you're getting it at a $100,000 discount. The after repaired value is about $120,000. So what you can do is you can just come up here and just zero that out and hit calculate, and then you notice it's $72,500, and the difference on this one is the closing costs I'm estimating at about 4% as opposed to 3%. So when I hit that calculate, you get the exact same value in the book, $73,500. But what happens if you have a the calculator is pretty cool because say you didn't have any repairs at all and it's just zero. Then you hit calculate, and then it shows you that you can come over here and offer $78,000 for it. What happens if you didn't have realtor's fees, and what happens if you work something out where you're only taking $2,500 paid out to the realtor? Maybe you have your end buyers is going to pay all the closing costs. So as you can see, these values go up in value. So $85,500 is what you can pay for a $100,000 home. So don't change the unknown variables. I would always leave this the same, just because things do come up, and I wouldn't recommend fooling around with it. Desired profits, I would always try to strive for $7,000 or higher. Don't do anything less than $7,000, because if you are, you just might as well stay with your day job, because you're going to go broke doing anything less, and things always come up. So like I'm showing you here, you can go in here and fool around with these different numbers, and as you see, as I zero everything out, like desired profits, and if it goes back up to $100,000. So it's pretty cool on what you can do with it. So if I do $120,000, as you see, 20% of that is $24,000. The realtor's fee $48,000. So then when you hit calculate, the most you should pay for this house is $78,000. Now that's assuming there are no repairs and you're not getting paid. So say you wanted to make a $9,000 profit. So the most you should pay for this house, an option on this house, is $70,200. So you can fool around with the calculator. Just take the values that I have in the course, plug them in. It's really self-explanatory. It's a really good calculator. You can pretty much figure out what you should offer within seconds. You don't have to fool around with a hand calculator. Just pop this puppy up, and you'll be on your way to making money with your option deals. So with that, this is Larry Hoffman with FindingMotivatedSellersExposed.com. I wish you the best in your real estate career. I hope God blesses you and your family and keeps you all safe.